79 in Lakeland, 78 frostproof. Sebring's in the 80s. Tampa's in the 80s. St. Pete, Sarasota. Didn't get a ton of thunderstorms yesterday. So really, the only way to cool things down was the sun to go down. And, you know, because of that, that's why we have a lot of 80s here first thing this morning. Today, a little different, because while we will get those heat indices easily back between 100 and 105, the rain chances today a little bit better, I think, than they were yesterday. So you're going to see about 1 or 2 o'clock, little scattered showers and thunderstorms developing, and see how it becomes more widespread 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll drift some of those inland, come from the northeast, from Leesburg back down to Brooksville. So they're going to be meandering again all over the place. Looks like tomorrow's going to be pretty much the same thing as well, with those scattered afternoon and evening storms. And then we just have to keep an eye on all of this, because all this deep tropical moisture, if you remember, all week long, I'm showing you this little X. And it's like, well, this has a chance to develop. This has a chance to develop. Well, now it is slowly beginning to develop. There is no one point you can look at and say, oh, there's your center. There's no center to this. This is literally just disorganized showers and storms, but the general direction is pushing west-northwest. So if you notice now, the chances for it developing are still at about 60%, but mainly in this area with orange shading, which now opens up the eastern Gulf of Mexico, which it really didn't yesterday. If you remember, one model kind of had everything, you know, to the west, and then the rest of them were to the east. Well, now they're all kind of shifting this way, and that means obviously somebody in the state of Florida is going to get a lot of rain over the next several days. And of course, there is that potential that we could get a tropical depression or tropical storm in the eastern Gulf. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the time frame for this. You look right now and you go, wow, look at all that rain over the next week. Okay, tomorrow this big bullseye may be over the Panhandle or northern Florida or southern Florida. So a lot of it depends on where, if and where it would develop its movement. Some computer models have it meandering in the Gulf. What I'm trying to tell you is way more questions than answers this morning. Between now and Saturday, just typical summer weather. And by probably tomorrow at some point, we'll get a really good handle on what's going to happen Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So just stick with us, right? And we'll let you know. 92 degrees, your high temperature for today, with more scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Rain chances 60%. We'll hold that to Friday and Saturday as well. And again, at least somebody in the state will get a lot of rain come Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. But we will continue to fine-tune that for you.